Is it embarrassing when you make mistakes in QuickBooks? Do you feel lost when somebody asks you to record a transaction and you have no idea what you're doing? See, in this video, I'm going to reveal to you not only how to gain confidence in using QuickBooks, but also I'm going to reveal the system that I've used with thousands of other bookkeepers to help them navigate QuickBooks the right way. Hey there, my name is Matt Hultquist. I've been a CPA for over 25 years. I started the QuickBooks University about 11 years ago. And in doing so, I have helped train over 4,000 members around the world on how to use QuickBooks. You know, some people say that you need an accounting degree to learn QuickBooks, and other people say that you need to spend countless hours scrolling through YouTube looking for the next great how-to video. But I'm here to tell you these are just myths. The first one is just designed to take your hard-earned money, and the second one is a complete waste of time. You see, QuickBooks is like a maze, more specifically a maze where you're blindfolded. Have you ever been in QuickBooks and you recorded one transaction, but you don't know how to affect another one? Or maybe you recorded one before another, but you're not sure what order they're supposed to be in. But I'm here to give you answers. I'm here to shine a light on that path to guide you through this maze. And I boiled it down to a simple step-by-step process. So if you're tired of just getting by knowing the basics and you're ready to take it to the next level, I invite you to join me with the 4,000 other QuickBooks University students who have taken the masterclass. So click the link right below this video to gain access to the free masterclass that I've put together for you. In this masterclass, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to navigate the program. Just imagine opening QuickBooks and feeling empowered and confident knowing that you have the right answers. Everything is organized and you feel in control. QuickBooks becomes second nature. When you're ready to take that step, click the link right below this video to get started. And listen, for every day that goes by that you continue to search on YouTube for these how-to videos, that's just time wasted when you can learn the program quickly and easily through my training. So click the link right below this video to get started today. I look forward to helping you navigate this maze of QuickBooks.